Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to share with you some certain moves. If Bitcoin will make those moves, then it will be a legendary trade of the Bitcoin, and it can be a kind of bullish reversal, a chain reaction of the different bullish reversal moves. Even though we have already witnessed some a small chain reaction of the bullish reversal moves. For example, recently we have seen that the price action of Bitcoin was moving in this down channel on the 4-hour chart, and at the same time it completed the formation of the bullish Gartley pattern that I shared at the Patreon first, and then I also shared with you here in the form of video as well. And this was the pattern that I shared on 30th of May. And by the way, if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, you can see that at that time the price action of Bitcoin completed this bullish reversal harmonic Gartley pattern and entered in this buying zone, or this potential reversal zone of this bullish Gartley on the daily time frame chart. Now I'm just going to play this chart to show you how the price action turned bullish and also broke out the resistance of this down channel that was formed on the 4-hour chart. And this was on the this Gartley pattern was formed on the 12-hour chart, and that down channel was formed on the 4-hour chart. Now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that the price action turned bullish from the buying zone, or the potential reversal zone of this bullish Gartley pattern on the 12-hour chart, and hit the sell targets. And here at the same time the price action also turned bullish and broke out this resistance of this down channel and retested the previous resistance as a support and continue its move to the upside. Now at the same time, we have already witnessed that the price action of Bitcoin is moving in this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart as well. Previously I was looking at this pattern on the 12-hour chart. Now we have a big number of candlesticks moving in this pattern. Therefore now I'm just looking at this pattern on the daily time frame chart. Before this, I want to show you another move that the Bitcoin may start now. If I place this regression tool here, then we can see that the Bitcoin is likely to start another channel, and this time it is a kind of it will be an up channel, and this is the support of this channel, and this is the resistance. However, so far this support is not confirmed because we have a bounce here, another bounce here. Now if the price action will be bounced by this support again, then this channel will be confirmed. And if the price action will be moved at least up to this resistance of the channel, for example in this way, then it can be a move up to approximately $38,500. And if the price action will be moved at $38,500 at the same time, it can also break out this resistance of this descending triangle, because if we take a look at this level where we have this resistance of this descending triangle, that is approximately at $38,500, and at the same time the price action will be at the resistance of this up channel, and it will be moved at the resistance of this descending triangle as well. And if we will have a daily closing above this $38,500, then the price action can confirm this breakout after the closing above $38,500. Now here on the daily time frame chart, we also have the EMA 21 as well. Now if the price action will break out this resistance of this descending triangle, then on the daily time frame chart it can also break out the EMA 21 as well, because the targets for this triangle, if I place this trend line here, and I have already shown you these targets in my previous video as well, if we will have a breakout at this level from here, then our target can be approximately at $48,000. Now if our target is $48,000 and the price action will be moved up to this level, then definitely it will also break out this EMA 21 daily. And now I'm just going to switch to the weekly time frame chart, and at the same time we can see that we have the EMA 21 weekly at the $43,600 approximately, and the price action can also break out the weekly EMA 21 as well. And in my previous videos, I have been telling you that there are two spots. Whenever the price action will be moved to those spots, you will observe a lot of buying by the traders. For example, one spot is the $30,000 level, and we have seen whenever the price action is moved close to the $30,000 or at the $30,000, the price action is moved up. We have observed a lot of buying at this level, and if the price action will be closed above and it will cross up the EMA 21 weekly, this level, then there will be a big number of traders who will start buying from that level as well. So once we will have a confirmed breakout from this resistance of the descending triangle, then the price action can also break out this EMA 21 daily and the EMA 21 weekly as well. Now I want to show you this Ichimoku weekly cloud, and previously I've already shown you this cloud in my previous video that I shared with you. This was a video almost a week ago when I told you that this indicator is clearly telling us that the Bitcoin bull run is not ended so far. Now we can see that when the price action moved up to this $30,000 level, here we have a very strong support. The lagging span of this Ichimoku cloud was moving down, and now we are having the bullish candlesticks on the weekly time frame chart, and the lagging span, you should notice this, that the lagging span has already also found a kind of support here. We can see that at the $30,000 it was reversed to the upside, and now when the Ichimoku Ichimoku's cloud's lagging span is moved at this level, again it is turning bullish. And I told you that previously, whenever the bull runs were ended, for example, this is the 2017 bull run, the lagging span crossed down the candlesticks, and also crossed down the cloud as well, and we also received the bear cross or death cross between the conversion and the baseline of this Ichimoku cloud, and the bull run was ended. At this time so far we did not receive those signals. In fact, now after hitting this $30,000 support level, these indicators are now turning bullish, like the lagging span is moving to the upside, and previously we have seen that this conversion line was moving down to cross down this baseline, this the bullish line and this the bearish line. Whenever we receive the bear cross, when this blue line crosses down this red line, that is a sell signal, a very powerful sell signal on the weekly time frame chart. Previously we have seen that these lines, they're moved very close to each other but did not form any death cross, and now here these two lines were moving towards each other, but now you can see that it is turning to the right side, and soon you will see it can start its move to the upside, and the price action will definitely follow the move of this conversion line and the baseline signals. However, if we will have a breakdown here by the price action of Bitcoin, if it will break down this support of this descending triangle, then in that situation, I'm not expecting this breakdown at this time. However, if it will be broken down, then our next target in case of breakdown can be $24,500 approximately, but it is not possible so far. In my point of view, so far it is not possible because we are also having a breakout from this up channel. We also have this bullish reversal move, and on the weekly time frame chart, this Ichimoku cloud is so far giving us the signals that it is turning bullish. However, it is possible that it will break down the support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.